The simplest way to embed video on a web page is to use the HTML5 video tag and then allow the browser to provide a default user interface. Embedding media into your HTML documents is very simple. Here's the code for embedding an OGG video onto a page. The OGG video, you'll notice, is 320 by 240 pixels. This example plays a sample video from the Theora website using the source attribute right here. There's the link to that OGG video. I have width and height attributes following, and then I have this line here just in case the browser does not support the HTML5 video tag. This is what the browser will see. Your browser does not support the video element. If you're using or accessing this media from an HTML5 compliant browser like my Firefox browser here, this is what you'll see. This interface is provided by the browser. But I can change that and modify that, as I'll be describing a little bit later in the tutorial. You can also use Flash to play a Flash formatted movie if the video element isn't supported in the browser. Here I'm using the video tag source to the source of my OGV file. Here are the control attributes. Here I have an object tag with the data flvplayer.swf type application /x-shockwave-flash, and my parameter value flvplayer.swf name movie. So you would add this to your code so that if the video at this source attribute is not possible, then you'll play this back using Flash. Note that you shouldn't include the class ID in the object tag in order to be compatible with browsers other than Internet Explorer. HTML5 provides the source element for specifying alternative video and audio files which the browser may choose from based on its media type or codec support. I have a good example here of this source element. Here I'm calling out 3 different sources for this video, depending again on which the browser finds most compatible with its codec support or player support. Here's a video type 3GP, OGV, or MPEG-4. Down here, likewise for the audio tag, I have 2 sources, either an MP3 file or an OGA file. Notice I also have a media attribute right here. This can be used to specify a media query for selection based on the device limitations, and the type attribute for specifying the media type and codecs. You should note that when using these source elements, the source attribute needs to be omitted from the parent video or audio element, or the alternatives given by the source elements will be ignored. Specifying which codecs the media file requires will also allow the browser to make more intelligent decisions about playing the videos, as this example demonstrates. Here I'm specifying that the video uses the Dirac and Speaks codecs. If the browser supports the OGG format but not the specified codecs, then the video will not load.